So one of the major challenges is we don't have air conditioning. We have probably 4 classrooms that have a swamp cooler. So when the weather is hot outside, it is hot in the building. So I actually took some temperatures, and we had classrooms that were in the 86 to 88 degree range. Teachers are trying to teach when kids are hot, and when they're too hot they can't think. It's challenging for kids. Sunset Junior High brings 3 communities together: South Weber, Clinton, and Sunset. We have just under 1,000 students here at Sunset Junior High. We have great students that have great school spirit. They love to hang out with each other, they make friends with each other. It's just a great community to be in. Our classrooms are medium size. We just don't have that space for kids to break off and collaborate. So teachers get creative. They send kids out in the hall to work together on projects. And then there's the natural wear and tear of the building, having 1,000 kids come in and out of the building every day. You know, we've had some leaks and some different things here that, you know, leave little marks and little scars on the building, and a new building would be good for our community. Please get out and vote.